Good morning, grade 2. Today our science lesson is, what is a gas? Our essential question is, how can I describe and measure gases? Our objectives, I will be able to identify gases and measure it. I will be able to identify the properties of matter. I will be able to observe and compare the mass of inflated and empty balloons. I will be able to compare the different states of matter. I will be able to identify that gases take up space. Instructions. On each slide, you will read each question. Watch the video, read the conclusion written, complete the exit activity, do the online assessment on Edmodo after completing the lesson. Here, we have photos of a windy day and leaves of trees are moving. Please answer these questions. What does the weather look like here in these pictures? What is wind? Can you see air? Does it have a color? Where does air exist? Is air important for living things and why? Please watch the video here about gases. Please look at this picture on your books on page 391. What do you see here in this picture? What kind of matter is the bubble wand? Is it solid, liquid, or gases? Write it down, please. What are these bubbles filled with? Write your answer. And on this slide, look at the picture. Where is the gas in this picture? Write it, please. What is a gas? A gas is a state of matter that does not have its own shape or size. Air is a gas. On page 392 and 393, the mass of air. Please watch this video. It's going to show this experiment to know the mass of an air. After watching the video, please answer these questions. What tool can people use to measure the mass of objects? What is the balloon filled with? Draw a conclusion. Does air have mass? On page 394 and 395, properties of gases. Remember, gas is a state of matter. I want all of you now, bring a balloon and blow it. Then, what happens to the size of the balloon as you blow air into it? Why do you think this happens? Air is a gas. Gases do not have their own shape or size. The air takes the shape of and size of the balloon. Which of these are gases? Which one of these pictures is a gas? Please circle the answer. What is air made of? Look at the picture over here. What matter is around the boy and around us that we can't see it? What kind of matter is the air? What are some properties of air? Please watch this video. Air is made up of gases. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Air can be hot or cold. Air can make kites fly high. Air can move the leaves of trees too. How can we measure gas? Look at the picture here of this boy. How are the balloons different? How are the two pictures different? Which balloon is heavier? Why? Which balloon has more mass? Now read, how can you measure a gas? What would happen to the mass of the inflated balloon if the boy blows more air into it? What state of matter is the balloon itself? Why? Here, we want to compare between the three states of matter. Please watch this video. What are the three different states of matter? We said it's solid, liquid, and gases. How are they different? Solid, what state of matter is the skateboard? Does it have mass? Does it take up space? Does it have a shape? Liquid, what state of matter is the ink? Does it have a mass? Does it take up space? Does it have a shape? Here the gas. What state of matter is the smoke? Does it have a shape? Does it take up space? Does it have a shape? Here, we said we want to compare the three states of matter and look at the table on your books. How are the three states of matter alike? How are they like each other? How are ice and water vapor different? How are gases and liquids alike? Here, look at these two pictures of apple and apple juice. How are they like each other and how are they different? Please write the answers in the table. A conclusion: gas is a state of matter that does not have its own shape or size. Gas fills all the space of its container. The mass of a gas is measured using a balance. Air is made up of gases. Please, here's the exit activity. Complete it and send it back to me. Thank you.